everyone. This is Hugo, aka Unforeseeable 2.0, and welcome to another episode of Science Time. Today we're going to be talking about electromagnetism. As you see in my fourth episode of Science Time, I talked about regular magnetism, or otherwise known as lodestone. Now this is a regular magnet. It's lodestone, which means that anything iron, nickel, or cobalt on it can be placed onto and stick permanently. But there's another type of magnetism that happens in electricity. This is an electromagnet made from a screwdriver, battery, and some wire. Ordinarily, if you just place a screwdriver on something like, say, a nail, that's made of iron, it won't stick. But watch what happens if you put in a little electricity. It's just warming up. It has to take a lot of energy to create a magnetic field. See for yourself right here. This nail is connected. Now if I stick another nail onto it, that also sticks too. What happens when I disconnect the battery? Amazingly, the magnetic field is still there. Crazy. Now for another trick, watch what happens when I reverse the polarity. Now if I try to stick it again, it doesn't work. Why? Well, see, electricity and magnetism are exactly the same. They're close. They're really close. When electricity is being conducted, it creates a magnetic field. When it wraps up in a little bit, like as far as it creates a small magnetic field, but since these are really wrapped tightly, the magnetic field gets bigger and bigger, which allows you to work stuff as a regular magnet. When I released it, it still stayed on because the magnetic field was still there. But when I reversed the polarity, then the magnetic field disappeared. When I reversed the positive and negative parts on the battery, the magnetic field reversed as well, switching the magnet and making it drop. Electromagnets, it can be found in a lot of places, like monorails or motors where you don't use for cars, or any other motors that don't use gas. Well, I'm Hugo, aka Unforeseeable 2.0, and thanks for watching Science Time. Don't forget, go check out some Lego optical illusions and some more Science Time, and some new incredible stuff that might happen later on throughout Unforeseeable 2.0. See ya!